So I had a request for some chicken Alfredo pasta. Grab your ingredients and let's get started. Alright, let's start by marinating our chicken. Here I have 2 chicken breasts and I split them in half. I will be seasoning with some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon, a little bit of salt, some chicken seasoning, and paprika. Mix those seasonings well to combine, and then I followed up with some oil, and then I added the seasoning, mixed well, make sure that the chicken was well coated, and then I covered and allow it to sit and marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's take a quick look at the rest of our ingredients. Today I'll be using fettuccine noodles, but feel free to use any kind that you like. I have some heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, onions, garlic, parsley. For the seasoning, I'll be using some seasoned salt, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, complete seasoning, and black pepper. So here to a boiling pot, I added a little bit of salt, and then I went in with my noodles. I'm not using the entire pack, but feel free to use the entire pack if you prefer. This is just for me and my daughter. Boil until al dente. Once it is done, you drain and set aside. Here I will go ahead and cook my chicken breasts. These are super thin, so I'll cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You never want to overcook your chicken breasts or else they become dry, and nobody likes dry chicken. So once they were nice and golden brown on one side, I flip them over, let them brown on the other side, and then I remove, set aside, and carry on with the last piece of chicken breast. Now let's prepare the sauce. I will add a little of that same oil that the chicken was cooked in, and then I will add some butter. Once that melts, you will come in with your aromatics, give it a stir, and allow to go for about 2 minutes. Next, I will add my heavy whipping cream, and then I will add my cream cheese. You want to just let this simmer on the lowest heat and let that cream cheese melt and dissolve. Once it dissolves, you want to come in with your Parmesan cheese. Allow that also to melt before you add your seasoning for flavor and taste. Remember, you can taste and adjust to suit your own preference, but don't add too much seasoning because remember, the Parmesan cheese and the cream cheese has salt. So mix that well to combine and let it simmer for about a few seconds or so. And yeah, it is all done. Now I like to reserve some of that sauce because I like my pasta saucy. And who know about pasta knows that the pasta becomes dry. It soaks up all that sauce and I hate that. So here you see me adding in my pasta, my chicken, my parsley, and give everything a good toss. And that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. Not complicated at all. Now we can plate this up and enjoy. And here you have it, my version of chicken Alfredo fettuccine pasta. When I tell you this was amazing, you will not regret trying this recipe. It was so delicious. Chicken was juicy, tender, moist, flavorful. And that sauce, trust me, I need to bottle it and sell it. So good, guys. You have to give the recipe a try if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.